Hello, everybody. Anita here. Today we're going to discuss what we have to develop. We have to develop in the law of attraction patience. It takes a little bit of time, not time for the universe to manifest for us, but us to normally register with the frequency of what we want. We have to align ourselves with wealth or that new house or whatever it is that we're wanting to manifest, and that takes some patience. You also have to have patience on working with yourself. You can't give up so easily. Most people just want it at snap of a finger, like maybe I Dream of Jeannie when we were kids. We watched that show and she'd just snap her fingers and there it would be. Well, that doesn't work in this instance. We have to have patience to do our inner work, our affirmations, and line up with the frequency, the energy of whatever it is that we're wanting to manifest. Everything is energy. We are energy. The items we want are energy. And we're working with other people's will. Say that you're wanting to manifest a husband, a wife, boyfriend, girlfriend, whatever, business partner. We're working in that instance with other people's wills and wants. To get ours into our life, everything has to line up. So God, the universe, is lining everything up for our good and their good. We have to remember it's for their good too. So when we do our affirmations, like I am manifesting $250,000 unexpected income, this or something greater. We want to put that this or something greater into our affirmations because we are working with other people's will and we're working with the universe to bring to us what we want on a continuous basis. But what if the universe has got you signaled out to be a multimillionaire? Well, you can say, I am a multimillionaire. I am the first multimillionaire in my family line. I give and I receive and I will leave a legacy, this or something better. You don't know what God or the universe has pointed towards you or what you've accumulated in your vortex over however many years you've been on earth. And in order to line up with that, stay happy. Keep patience. If you find yourself impatient, go around your house or your life in your mind and be grateful on purpose. Be grateful for every little thing, even your toothbrush, your toothpaste. There's so many people that don't have that. It's incredible. Just find things on purpose, even your refrigerator, your washer, your dryer, toilet paper, whatever it is. Find something on purpose to be grateful for. Stay on a high vibration. Do something that makes you happy, whether it's crafting, playing golf, whatever it is. Go for a drive. That's one I like to do is I like dirt road driving, just a leisurely drive. It makes me happy. I get to look at all the trees and the animals and all that. And if you can't do that and you like animals, pet your cat or dog. Just do something that raises your vibrations. Read a book, listen to music, and remember, patience, patience, patience. This is so important. And people want to quit too quickly. They don't ever get anywhere with the law of attraction because they give up. And you can't give up with this. I mean, you can, but you don't want to. Your breakthrough is right around the corner. And what if you knew tomorrow Was your breakthrough the money you needed, the house that you desire, the car that you're wanting to manifest? That dream career is right around the corner. Don't give up. Let me encourage you today to stay patient, stay on a high vibration, do things to make you happy. And with that, I will leave you, and God bless you all. May you all have a wonderful day, and I'll talk to you again tomorrow. Bye for now.